Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, fun with Mimis. Today I have a new and stylish paper decoration ideas. I have many more share paper art videos, playlists and different paper craft videos. I know you will like it. You can see it is very amazing and stylish paper art frame, paper art different decoration ideas, and it is very gorgeous and colorful. Stones art, rocks art, you can see. You can make different view for painting, and you make stones art. You can see it is very amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, then please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can see more videos and press the bell icon and share your friends and family members. And you can see many more ideas, so visit my channel and you can see more paper craft videos, jute craft, coiling craft and different stylish and amazing paper decoration ideas. It is very amazing and stylish. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.